first stop, immigration. Immigration is done. We're back.
Bring down all your bag. Bring down all your bag.
Now at the Johor Bahru immigration, and we will bring down all our bags. Snacks? Napa mo tayo snacks? We are done with the immigration at JB. We are going to check out snacks. It's a convenience store right next to the immigration. We are, what's this place? KL na yeah. Ah, I'm in KL. We're in KL. We are currently here, Bandar Tasik Selatan, and then ride the train traversing this brown line and stop at here, and then transfer to red line, and our next destination is KLCC. We didn't know we arrived. we almost went one more stop. 3 stops naman.
Ang kuan sa atong clearance.
KLCC. There. Sigurado ka mo niyan? Yes. Hindi mo lagi. No, it's not. Oh, ooh, look at that. Look.
In your touch, feel so enamored. Hold me tight within your clutch.
Welcome to Petronas. Welcome to Kuala Lumpur. And this behind us is the Petronas Towers. Today marks our 6th year as a couple together and 5th month as a married couple. It's been a long and blissful journey with her, and it has been the best time of my life. Best time of my life. I was lucky enough to marry a lady who is career-driven, family-driven, very loving, very caring, and she has been with me for the longest time, through ups and so many downs. In fact, we had moments where we almost broke up way back when our relationship was much younger. Now we're here. We're currently in KL, in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and I won't be here if it weren't for her. She was the one who opened the international gates for me. So, #travel goals. Marry a girl or marry someone who wants to work abroad, and then travel goals. Last year, it wasn't quite a surprise. I folded a few hours before flight because I was scared of not telling her and not communicating with her for 4 hours. But then, as you saw on the last video, I made it, I did it, I surprised her. She was really surprised, and she was really pissed at me for not communicating with her. This girl is very clingy, and I love it. Where are we going next? Going to Q Hotel.
Hotel Kuala Lumpur. Q Hotel, yeah.
Alright. Thank you.
Jalan Chong Nam.
Yes, please. We're taking an Uber because the bus took too long.
A few moments later.
We just came from the hotel and we are now looking for the nearest station for the hop on and hop off. We already saw the hop on, hop off. Oh, stop. Stop. No. We missed it. We're buying tickets. 55 RM per person for 24 hours. 24 hours. With 23 stops and 70 destinations or attractions. Sorry, 70 attractions. Are you having fun?
Yeah, with you. When I'm with you, it's more fun.
I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in.
This is the plan. We will tour all 23 stops, all 70 attractions before we hop off and try to look at that attraction. So, for example, after touring all the 23 stops, we will go back to stop number 2. We will go to KL Tower. We will go up. As of now, we just passed by stop number 3. Then we'll go through 20 more stops. It's 11:29. It's almost lunchtime, and we hopped off at stop number 6, Bukit Bintang, and we're gonna have lunch in Nando's.
We're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? Now I've got you in my space.
Oh, really? How many minutes ago?
For the next bus, another 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Oh no. Thank you.
Won't let go again. Got you
On to the 7th.
shackled in my hand.
We are at the 10th stop. This is called the 13th spot. I mean, this is the National Palace. It looks so grand.
Praise, I'm landing on you.
We missed our bus. 2 buses. We missed it, so we're waiting for the next bus to arrive. We have arrived at stop number 19, the stop which is near our hotel, and we're going back to the hotel to freshen up. Marge is checking us in. It's 6:10 in the evening. We are going to KL Tower and catch the sunset.
You lift my heart up.
We are now at the foot of the KL Tower. Look at that. We're gonna climb up there.
When the rest of me is down, you enchant me, even when you're not around.
We are now at the observation deck, the lower part. We did not go to the sky deck, because it's much more expensive. It's much more expensive. So we're just here and watching the view of the city and of the Petronas Towers, which is there.
There are boundaries, I will try to knock them down.
KL has been a surprise. I've enjoyed my stay here, although it's very short, but it was quality time. I enjoyed it very well. And the view here is breathtaking. So nice. So nice.
I'm latching on.
What do you think of our 6th anniversary? Was it good? Was it fun? Huh? Sorry?
Memorable.
It was memorable. 6th in Malaysia. 7th will probably be in Australia or New Zealand or in East Timor
Why?
or in Indonesia or in Maldives. Watch out. Laters. Close.
Now I know what I have found.